Hi, this is Sadaf. I welcome you all on my official YouTube channel, Jolly Learner. As well as I want to say a very happy Ramadan Mubarak to all the Muslim community throughout the world. May this month bring lots of happiness for everyone. So let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. You all must have known this beautiful and famous song, which follows the order A, and then B, and then C, and then D. When we teach the alphabets to sounds, you must be thinking we are going to follow the same order. So the answer is no. In Jolly Phonics, we follow the order S, and then A, and then T, and then I, and then P, and then N. Okay, let me demonstrate you this with the help of little exercise. Okay, you can see there are two columns. One is following the alphabetic order, which is A, B, C, D, E, and F. And on the other side, you can see the Jolly Phonics set 1, which is S, and then A, then T, and then I, and then P, and then N. Okay, so let's make words. Come on, think about it. Okay, okay, one word. Okay, think about it. T, second word. Okay, you can make you can make and then two. Okay, so on this side I'm going to have Jolly Phonics sound sequence, which is come on, say it after me. A, and then T, I, P, and N. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make words with it. You can make it at your home. Okay. So let me think. I can make word edge. Okay. Let me think. Come on. Okay, good. Very good. Wow. Well done. Good. Good, Jolly Phonics. Good. Okay. So, think about it. Let me think. So you can see I can make lots and lots of words with the help of Jolly Phonics sound sequence. So now what you can do, you can just pause the video and make all these words at home. Okay, so the answer is very obvious. With the help of A, B, C, D, E, F, you can make this much words. And with the help of sounds, with the help of Jolly Phonics sequence, which is S, A, T, I, P, and N, you can make lots and lots of words. So answer is very obvious. The answer is in front of you. What you can do with the help of alphabets, what you can do, you can make words, but very limited. But with the help of Jolly Phonics, you can make lots of words. Okay, so It's very simple. With the help of Jolly Phonics sequence, your child will be able to read right away. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.